Class 12, this is a question on elasticity of supply sums. A producer supplies 40 units of commodity at rupees 10. Price elasticity of supply is 1.25. How many units will the producer supply at rupees 20 per unit? So from the given data, whatever information is given, we will try to find out the value of the quantity that the producer is supplying when the price is rupees 20 per unit. So we know that elasticity of supply formula is change in quantity supplied by change in price into initial price by quantity. Now, change in quantity is not given. Only we know that the producer supplies 400 of commodity at rupees 10. So the initial price is given and the final price will be 20. So the final price is 20 and the initial price is 10 given. The elasticity's value is also given 1.25. Change in quantity demand we need to find out. We cannot find the change. Why? Because the final quantity is not revealed. Only the initial quantity is given. Into price, the initial price is 10 by the initial quantity is 400. So we have the information about the elasticity of supply, the initial and the final prices. So we can find the change in the price, the initial price as well as the initial quantity. So from solving this, so we have change in quantity by 400 equal to this. So change in quantity will be, if we, this is divided on this side, when we change the side it becomes multiplied. So 1.25 into 400. So that will make 500 the answer. So change in quantity is 500. So this is not the final quantity. Mind it, this is only the change in the quantity that has been brought about when the price has increased from 10 to 20. So what is the final quantity? So we know the initial quantity is, given 400. The change in quantity is given 500. This is not the final quantity. This is just the change. But whether with the initial quantity we will add this or subtract this value depends on what is the relation between price and supply. So price has gone up from 10 to 20. So the quantity supplied should increase because suppliers will get an incentive when price has increased. Supply should increase than before. So the final quantity will be equal to the initial quantity plus the producers will be willing to supply more at increased price plus 500. So it is total 900 units will be supplied at rupees 20 price.